So welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can calibrate your DJI drone gimbal using your DJI RC controller. So this is really important if your DJI gimbal have stuck. So let's say example you wanna take off and your gimbal have been stuck. So this one is not moving. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix that. To calibrate your gimbal, all you have to do is just switch on your DJI RC controller and switch on your DJI drone as well. For this video, I'm gonna use a DJI Mini 3 Pro. So as you can see now, it has been switched on and just waiting to device to connect. So to calibrate your gimbal, just click on this three dots in this corner and just click, as you can see here, Control. Just click on this and just scroll down until you see Essential Gimbal. So just press this, and as you can see, the drone gimbal have been moved down, and just press again Essential Gimbal, and you also now can go to gimbal calibration. All you have to do is just press auto, and you're gonna do it automatically. So let's have a wait, and we'll see what we're gonna do now. As you can see, the camera gimbal is moving from both sides and is doing everything itself. So yeah, calibration successful, and it's all done. You're now good to take off and take some pictures. Thanks guys, and feel free to subscribe to my channel to receive more videos. Thank you.